Hey, hello, Programming 12. I am going to show you a completed project for the Asteroid project so you can kind of get a sense of what to expect. I'm just running it right now. It takes a moment to load all those animated GIFs. You only need to put in one for criteria. I guess I got carried away and added a bunch because I thought it was fun. So you do have to create the mode framework. So here I have my intro screen. I'll just go through the mode framework because that's our first criteria. Some kind of some kind of button to get started. I didn't say you had to make it tactile or anything, but gosh, it looks nice when you make buttons tactile. Here's your game, and you can pause the game. There should be a pause mode. Again, you don't have to have animation in the pause mode necessarily. I'll press play to resume, and I can kind of jump back and forth from the different modes, and eventually I will die, and I will go to the game over screen. There'll be two sections of the game over screen. There'll be a lose one and a win one. You can make it just one mode and have if statements inside to control how that works. Oh, hope I have volume there. And if you want to make two separate modes, I don't have a problem with that. It's just a little more complicated than it needs to be. From here, I can restart the game, and the whole game is refreshed from the beginning. Everything is reset. In the actual game itself, obviously you can blow up asteroids, you fly, all the things we did in the videos together. Asteroid split. You'll. It's probably hard to talk about this and do the game at the same time. Oh gosh. Here we'll get the win screen going on. Maybe not my specialty. Beating this game is not. There we go. Ooh, there's the win screen. So it is somehow different. So anyways, the features inside of the game itself, you'll notice that I can go invincible for a short period of time. So when I take damage, I made it 3 seconds or 180 frames where I am immune to damage, and that is triggered when I have a collision. And during that time, I just can't take damage. You see, I don't even collide. Like the bullet just passes right through me, or the asteroid for that matter. So that's the immunity feature. You can see that there's a UFO flying, and it just kind of comes every once in a while. So it'll be 100, I don't know. I think I have 1,000 frames. I create a new UFO, and it just kind of hangs around until I blow it up. So I'll just wait for another one to come. It will aim at me, and I've chosen a particularly swift rate of fire, but you can make it however fast or slow you want to make it. Take as many or as few shots as you desire. You can also see the teleport feature. So if you look down here, there's a little blue circle. And see this blue circle there where I'm gesturing with the mouse? It's kind of underneath all the asteroids. So when I teleport, if I press Z, I died as I was teleporting. So I press Z, I'll jump, and you'll see that the blue turns to pink and then refills with blue. So once it fills back to the top, then I'm able to go again. So that satisfies the criteria for the teleport. First of all, the teleport feature should let me jump to a safe location, and I'm defining that as being within, being a position that is at least 200 pixels away from all the other asteroids. So that's great. And also it has a component that is sort of the visualization of the recharge. So I am recharging. Sometimes it's a pretty lame teleport. I don't teleport far necessarily, but it's just a random location that it teleports to that is a safe location. And it might not actually be safe. I'm just defining safe as 200 pixels away from any particular asteroid. I also set the velocity to 0. I don't know if this is necessary. I just found it was really frustrating to do anything other than that. If I was to teleport and I still had my previous velocity, I would find I would just run straight into an asteroid and have no time to sort of reset myself. That's not a requirement. That's just I think a nice feature to add. Anyways, that's that feature. Let's see. Am I missing anything else? I'm displaying lives. I don't think I made that explicitly clear that you need to draw lives. I don't really care too much, but you should, have 3 lives, and every time you get hit, it removes 1. The UFO we talked about, mode framework. I guess you'll notice that the game resets as well. So when I die, I restart. The game starts again, fresh, brand new, as if I was just running it for the first time. So yeah, I think that's all the features I wanted to mention. And ooh, I just can't beat this game. Let's go. Let's actually beat it this time. Pow pow pow. Ooh, I can do it. Yikes! I think I can do it. Oh oh. Yeah. Oh, the UFO. Okay, I'm safe for a bit. Oh, just gotta get that last one. Yeah. All right. So this, an example of a full marks project with a little bit of spice, visual spice added onto it, and hopefully that makes it a little bit more clear what the criteria are. Don't forget to read over the criteria just to make sure you're really clear about all the things that you need to do for this project. I don't know if I necessarily mentioned every detail, so read over the criteria document, and that should make everything super clear. And let me know if you have questions. Either you can ask in class or you can post on Teams. I'll be happy to clarify any questions you have about the project. All right? So thanks, everybody. Good luck on the project, and I look forward to seeing how they turn out.